Have you ever wondered how music evolved from simple rhythms into the incredibly diverse landscape of genres we enjoy today? From ancient chants to digital beats, music has been on an extraordinary journey of transformation. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating evolution of music genres, tracing their origins, how they've blended, diversified, and continue to redefine themselves through time. Get ready for a quick tour through music history. Our journey begins with the foundational sounds. Early music, deeply intertwined with spiritual and communal life, gave us folk songs, classical compositions, and spirituals. These forms eventually laid the groundwork for entirely new expressions. Think of the raw emotion of African spirituals and work songs directly contributing to the birth of the blues, which in turn birthed the improvisational genius of jazz in the early 20th century, marking one of music's first great genre explosions. As technology advanced and cultures converged, music genres accelerated their evolution. The invention of the phonograph, radio, and electric instruments in the mid-20th century were game changers. Suddenly, rock and roll burst onto the scene in the 1950s, a rebellious fusion of blues, gospel, and country. This period also saw the rise of pop music's global appeal, alongside the rich, soulful sounds of R&B, which itself was constantly evolving, influencing and being influenced by rock and pop. The latter half of the 20th century and the digital age brought an unprecedented proliferation of genres and subgenres. Hip-hop emerged from urban communities, revolutionizing rhythm and poetic storytelling. Electronic dance music, or EDM, soared as technology allowed entirely new sonic landscapes to be created. Today, genres are constantly fusing. Think country trap, indie electronic, or Afrobeats pop. This cross-pollination ensures music remains a living, breathing, ever-changing art form. So, from ancient roots to today's endless remixes, the evolution of music genres is a testament to human creativity, technological innovation, and cultural exchange. Music is never static, it's a continuous, dynamic reflection of our world. What's your favorite genre fusion? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights into the incredible world of music.